Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn the difference between currency and accounting format in Excel. So the currency format and the accounting format in Excel are very similar to each other. I will show you an example which will help you to find out the slight difference between the currency and the accounting. So I'm writing down here 1000, and in the accounting column I'm also writing down 1000. When I change the format from general to currency, you can see the rupees symbol places the right next to the number, and when I change it to accounting format, you can see it's basically places the rupees sign at the left edge of the cell and displaying a dash for zero values. The most important and the surprising fact about the currency and the accounting I'm going to tell you, which is the currency format can display negative numbers with a minus sign, and the accounting format displays negative numbers in parentheses. So write down here minus 100 and here also minus 100. Just change the format in currency. Change the format in accounting. So that's the basic difference, and also you can change the currency as per your country by clicking here. If you want to put dollar, you can put dollar here, and if your country currency is not showing here, you can click on the more accounting formats. A pop-up window will come up, and now from here you can choose any of the currency as per your requirement. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and if you are new into my channel, make sure you have pressed the subscribe button below to get more updates on Excel, VBA and SQL.